Are turkeys really factory farmed?
On a real turkey farm like mine, you'll find the answers. Let me show you around. Come on inside. Turkey farming is family farming, where generations enjoy rural life. Our turkeys are farm-raised with smart technology and responsible stewardship of our resources. Turkeys walk around inside barns on top of bedding made from natural materials such as straw, corn stover, or wood shavings. When the flock moves out to market, the bedding is recycled and enriches the soil, adding nutrients as natural fertilizer. Turkey farmers used renewable energy, with energy-efficient barns to regulate heating and cooling for their flocks, and LED lighting to save energy. Turkey farmers closely watch the feed, water, and temperature for their flocks, using technology and carefully walking the barns several times a day to check on their birds. Every American turkey farmer seeks to conserve resources while ensuring the health and safety of the flock, the food supply, and the land. It just makes sense. Recycling, renewable energy, and using smart technology for modern turkeys that are farm-raised.